Assuming the scene is safe, lalapit kay patient and then introduce.
Sir, ako ni Amy, DLS train, makakahelp ako sa'yo.
Then check responsiveness.
Okay?
No response,
Sir, na naka-white, please katawag
calling for help.
Inupakan, rescue unit, pa-dalhin mo ng BBM, adult, AED, ambulance, and paligatan.
After calling for help, pag meron kang extra na mask, you will put a mask sa patient mo. Kung may mask si patient, ayusin mo na lang. Kung walang mask, any cloth pwede pong gamitin. Basta yung tatakpan nyo lang po is the mouth and nose ni patient. Then we will now check for pulse and breathing.
Sana po titingin.
Carotid pulse and then tingin sa chest. Bilang 1001,
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007.
assuming there's no pulse and no breathing, you will now perform your compressions. 30 compressions, 8 cycles. Bilang lahat. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 1, 1, 2,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 5 to the 6, to the 7, to the 8, to the 9, 3,
8 cycles ha, kasi isa pa lang siya, walang ventilation.
15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pansin nyo, hindi masyadong mabilis yung pagbibilang ng mag-inay, tapos may rhythm.
17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 1, 2,
Nay, maluto ko na.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Tapos nagbibilang siya para mayroon siyang rhythm.
1,
Kaya siya nagbibilang.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8.
After 8 cycles, you will reassess. Pulse and breathing, tingin sa chest.
1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007.
Still no pulse, no breathing, ulitin yung compression.
1, 2,
Same pa rin, 30 compressions, 8 cycles. Ngayon po, papasok na sa second rescuer. Survey the scene ulit, and then,
19, 20, 1, 2,
sa harap ni first rescuer.
8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
After magpakilala, ilalagay na si BBM sa taas ng ulo.
Para
And then,
makita nyo, hindi siya tumalikod. Wait lang. Yan.
and then, si first rescuer, dire-diretso lang po siya sa pag-compress. Wala siyang pakialam sa second rescuer.
9, 10,
Sinabihan, nag-nag lang siya na okay, pero tuloy-tuloy yung CPR niya. Si second rescuer naman, power on the AED, sasabihin ni AED, attach pad to patient's bare skin.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Connect the connector port. After mag-attach ng pad, ako si AED ha ngayon,
9, 3, 1.
analyzing heart rhythm, do not touch the patient.
That's the time you will stop. Pag sinabi niya,
Analyzing heart rhythm, kahit hindi pa siya tapos sa 8 cycles, stop muna. Shock advised charging.
clear of the victim.
Deliver shock now. Press the orange button now. Don't touch the patient. Deliver shock now.
3, 2, 1.
Shock delivered. If needed, continue
So, kung
CPR.
avoid,
To avoid exhaustion, switch.
ako na kanina pa ng CPR, ako yung lalagay ng kambukan.
Then follow 30 compressions, 2 ventilations.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 29, 1.
Head, tail, chin, lift. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Pag may hangin na, ilan na? 5 na, 30 is to 2. Diba? 2, 3,
Since may AED kayo, aantayin nyo lang si AED na mag-analyze.
Head, tail,
Okay?
chin, lift. 1, 2,
Bilang po. 1, 2, 3.
7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Head, tail, chin, lift. 1, 2.
1, 2. Again, the AED is the captain of your ship. Every time may command si AED, yun yung susundin nyo.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. Head, tail, chin, lift. 1, 2.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Hindi pa siya tapos sa 5 cycles, stop muna kasi sinabi ni AED. No shock advice. If needed, continue CPR. First, no shock advice. Perform CPR. Switch ulit para hindi ka masyadong mapagod. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Tapos pansinin nyo, hindi na sila tumayo para mag-change ng lugar. Okay? Pwede namang ikutin yung BVM.
9, 1.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2.
Continue care.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yan yung mga prompts na
9,
yun.
10, 11, 12,
Continue care. So, tuloy-tuloy lang.
4, 5, 6, 7.
4.
Continue care.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wala pang sinasabi sa AED. Tapos ka na ng 5 cycles. Tuloy lang. Pero pag sinabing, analyzing heart rhythm, do not touch the patient. Stop agad. Do not touch the patient. No shock advised. If needed, continue CPR. Ilang beses na po no shock advised? Dalawa. So you will now check for pulse and breathing. Sino nag-compress? Siya yung mag-check. Assuming there's no pulse, no breathing pa rin, uulitin mo pa rin yung CPR. Pero assuming may pulso na, humihinga na, you will now move your patient to recovery position. Okay. Recovery position is done in 4 counts. 4 counts lang ha. 1, yung malapit na kamay, iaangat. 2, yung malayo na kamay, gagawin muna. 3, yung malayo na paa, tungtong sa malapit na paa. 4, hawak sa buttocks area, hawak sa shoulder, bunot papunta sa iyo. Yan. Tapos elbow ni patient to the ground, knees to the ground, para parang tulong lang. Then do your secondary assessment. If your patient is awake, follow sample.
Sir, ano yung mga nararamdaman mo kanina bago natin? May allergies ka ba? Medication na iniinom? Past medical history, meron ka inoperahan ka ba? Last meal taken. Ano yung
Then after sample, you will perform your decap BTLS.
Tingnan mo yung labs mo kung merong dugo. Or pag mag-aray siya, hinawakan mo dito, ibig sabihin meron siyang dugo. O baka may balot siya dito.
Sinabi ba yung decap BTLS sa inyo kahapon? Ano yung letter P? P. Ano yung puncture sa Bisaya? Ano yung S? Swelling. Ano yung swelling sa Bisaya? Uba. Ano yung D? Ano yung deformity sa Bisaya? Maulang ihapon. Kung sa inyo i-suspect kung na-deformity, posible si patient ay na-ay balik. Okay. Ano yung T sa decap BTLS? T. Sa mga tenderness?
Umok.
Masama? Masakit kung hihikap. Masakit kung hikapon. Iba ang bundo. Tenderness, masakit pag hikapon. Tenderness is a synonymous to pain. Pero may pain ka lang sa tenderness kapag nasasali or nahawakan. Okay. Question po. Wala? After nito, just start over. I-refer nyo lang po yan sa rescuer or sa facility. Habang nandiyan kayo kay patient, if your patient is unstable, every 5 minutes, vital signs, check for pulse and breathing ulit. Kapag stable si patient mo, every 15 minutes. Okay, question po.